Hi, this is WordPress Holder, the first YouTube channel where you can ask your WordPress questions and get your separate video for free. Don't forget to subscribe. So, today I want to show you how we can create the blog layout for Divi website. Okay, so first we should create the page which will be our blog. Simply go to the WordPress dashboard, go to the pages and click Add New. Okay, now let's give some title like school news in my case and click publish. Great. After go back to the web WP admin, so to the WordPress dashboard, and we need to go to the settings and reading. Okay, let's wait. In the post page, you should choose the page you want to be the blog. In my case, it's the one we created just now, school news. Okay, after click Save Changes. Great, so right now this page is our blog page. It will show the default blog layout. Let's check how it looks like. Okay, school page, school news. You see it's posts page. Okay, let's check how it looks like. And it doesn't look good as it's just default WordPress blog page, like nothing. So what we should do next? Next, you should go to the WordPress dashboard, click Divi and click Theme Builder. Okay. After we should add the new template and choose our page, like specific pages. Oh, we can just click posts and blog. Okay, and click create template. Great. So what we did, we created the specific template for our school news page. Okay, click save here. Let's refresh. What changed? Okay, nothing. So to change something, we should click add custom body. Click add custom body and build custom body. Okay, it's loading. Let's wait. Still loading. Okay, let's clone exciting page to copy some styles. Like what we want, what we can change. Somewhere here should be my menu. Here it is. Let's copy some pages like, I have the top image, so we just copy it. Let's copy the contact us page. Just to copy the basic layouts, okay? Great. We copied it. And what we can now, we should delete this form, we don't need it, delete this contact, social icons. Let's write here our title, school news, delete this one, and now we can add some own content. Let's make it full width. Okay. And here we can create the block layout. How to do it? Click add new module and right here blog. Okay, just blog. And now you'll be able to edit it as you want, like change layout to grid. You see there are no any sidebar anymore, and you can add some text, some items. Anyway, it's open to you. So let's remove the meta text. Okay, it's settings elements, and show outer we don't need it. Show date should be. Remove category and show pagination we don't need it. Content post counts like 1000. It means how many posts will be on one page. Okay, Let's click save. Let's go to the Hello World test post and add some image here. Okay, go to the posts. Here where we will create our posts. Hello World. And let's add some just a demo thumbnail. Go to the featured image, set featured image. Okay, and let's use something, it's too small, let's use these mountains. Okay, it's loading, and quick update. Let's click save, don't lose what we already did. Okay, it's saving, and refresh the page. So now we should have the, okay, we lost it. So let's do it again. Build custom body. Yeah, I will show you right now how to don't lose it. One exciting page and copy contact page. Contact, here it is. Copy contact page. We are doing just the same job which we already did, as I did a mistake and didn't save it globally. Okay, so school news, delete, and delete. Okay, full width, design, sizing, full width, and block. Okay, so now we should have our thumbnail. Okay, it's huge. So elements, let's remove author, remove categories, remove pagination. Okay, change layout to the grid. Great, it looks really good with image. You can change the styles for the title, for the metadata, for the sub with excerpt, just like click on it and change it, you know. So for me it looks good, and I have an idea what else we can change. To don't lose your data like I did, click save, it's important. Click save. After close it, and after click save here, it will save our templates. Okay, and let's go to our block. Okay, so here it is, our page. Sorry, I forgot. Okay, so it looks really good and it works. Let's compare with contact us page to make sure all looks pretty similar. Everything is the same, what I can say. Like, it's great, isn't it? Let's check the single page. So, by the way, in the design builder, you can add new template and click posts, for example, all posts, and create the same way the template for this page single. Let's change it. All posts, create template, custom body, build custom body. Okay, it's loading, so let's wait. Still loading. What I can do? Anyway, guys, hope you are waiting it. You can a bit reload this video, as it looks like, oh great, wow. So the same copy page, and let's copy this contact us the same page, so we will have the same layout. Okay, we copied it. Let's do absolutely the same thing we did before. Delete all everything we don't need and make it full width, not full width, but container, like, okay, it looks better. And now we can add some elements for the post, like post content, post title, you see? Okay. Like here will be post content, here will be, oops, here will be post title. Oh, it's big. Show meta, show featured image. Okay, about title meta, background image. Below, let's make it below, I don't mind. So, and now let's copy the styles. It should be 45 pixels, and this color, let's make it, go to design, title text, change color, and size 45 pixels. Yeah, great. Let's make image above title. Okay, above title. So title looks absolutely the same. Let's center it. Text, title, and click centered. Okay, there should be some spaces, like, okay, it doesn't work. Here should be it advanced, custom CSS, and we can create all. Okay, title and padding top, like this. I think it's great. So delete this one, and here how it will be. Something, oops, I deleted wrong things. Anyway, let's save and just let's check how it works on the real page. It doesn't work. I didn't save it here. I always forgot to do it. And always redo the page, which makes me crazy, guys. So it looks really good for me. I have no idea what else I can say. Like, let's change this area as it's a bit big. So space above line, actually. Design, spacing, its margin, change to 0. Now it's too small. Let's check how big it should be. It should be like 10 and 10. So it should be 20 pixels. Yeah, absolutely the same. Click save page and let's check how it works. Let's check how it works. Yeah, it looks good for me. So guys, don't forget to save it here. And I really hope this video helped you. And don't forget to subscribe on me, and there will be a lot of new videos soon. Don't forget to ask questions in comments below this video. I will be happy to check your comments, check your questions and answer to each. Maybe create some videos for you guys. So I really hope this video helps you, and have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe to and like this video. Thank you guys. Bye.